Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to electric sliding gate job. I've been waiting for this sliding gate for 3 weeks because it has to be custom. The gate has to be powder coated, and powder coating took forever because a lot of people doing custom gates these days, and there's a lot in line. The post, by the way, is already in, only because my friend has to do the concreting around it, and my post has to be in before they can do that. So, but I didn't cut all the height yet. So today I'll be installing the gate first, and then the panels, the other panels, and then that's when I'm cutting the post. Now today I'm hoping to finish all of these. First time installing it by myself, but I should be alright because the gate is only 3 meters and it should be fine. And I have to customize on the right side of the gate. I have to customize, I have to put a little box on there. So let's go and install this thing and hopefully to finish it today. So here it is, everybody. We're on the job site. Here's my post, and yeah, my friend done this, and then the concrete around my post also over here. I put the rails today, just see if I have enough length, which is plenty. Yeah, so this one here I have to cut in short. This is a 2 meter bay, and this one is a bit of a meter. This is what I mean about bringing home and customizing my little box over here. And the little box has to sit here somewhere. It's a little gap. And it looks nice. And it will look nice afterwards. This I had to cut, and this one of the panel, the slat fence. This one is vertical. Yeah, with my little box I have to cut one of these off, weld the metal square tubing and slide in, because that it's not like this panel I can just cut a hole and screw it in. This one is different. So this is a 2 meter bay, that's for one panel. And here's my sliding gate. We got delivered last night. Over here, that's 3.2 from here to there, and give me this nice extra for my ruler. And the rest of the panel is over this side. That's 2 there. Now today I have to just carry this by myself and get it ready out next to the track that I laid on the floor. So I pin this one down so I can grab this one outside. That'll be interesting, because this one here is a drop down. It's quite muddy. So let's go and install this thing now so we can move on. Man, that's a lot heavier than I thought. My shoulder nearly came off with that one, but that's on. All I need to do is do that, align my track so I can put the bracket up here and get it on and put my panel. That shouldn't take long. Let's continue.
said you were holding for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, gonna just perfect story. You said you were holding for me, but I managed from our story. Baby, don't be sorry for me, gonna just perfect story.
Alright everybody, we finally finished. The car is here. This is the custom little box that we put in it, and our motor comes with this one. That's solid. I end up doing it here on site. This is the next day after I finish all this. I came back here just to give it a good clean. Yeah, little box here. Nice. And the bracket, this is the bracket. I have to weld that on there. Same with this one. So that's a nice and solid one. So, and also today I had to extend this one just to cover this wire. This is a security sensor, infrared sensor. So put that on top, extend it bit here, so that when they get the litter box, when they get to the litter box, they don't keep stepping on it and breaking it. So here, that's the motor. It came up nice. And I installed a light for them too. Here, that's a floodlight. So if I close it, it will turn on there. So it's good for them at night. Yeah, and open it again. Temporarily put extension here, because we have to get electrician to get a power point on this side, so they can have that nice and tidy. Yeah, that's that one. And this is our friend here that did the concrete. We're based in Adelaide, so you can call them for concrete work. And let's do this gate again. It's nice and smooth, very quiet gate, and clients very happy. And that's that everybody. Thank you for watching our video all the time, and we move on to the next one. We're very happy with the result. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.